Alright. Let's see. Hey, good vibes. Everything fine here, how about you? Yes, I know, you told me last time. Does this work already, I wonder? Or told anyone else, I guess. Okay, that's not enough. I forgot to add it to the lists. Wait a moment. Ah, this is not good. Cannot just name it key. Ah, shit. I need to fix that. No biggie, man. Don't worry. Still not enough. What did I do to make it spawn? We need to change this, but this goes to true, so... matter. Hold on. Do I have the signal in there? This thing. Of course I don't. Oh my god. Wait. The helper. Where's the signal? There it is. Okay, now. I see. How many models did you do till now? Still not enough. What the hell is going on here? I don't understand. What am I missing here? Hold on. Do we even get to here? I mean, I hope we would. Not watch. Hey Baykain. What's going on? 2 new chatters? Welcome, welcome. Hello guys. This is fine. What happened? Did you guys come from somewhere else? Oh, hello. And what's the reason? Thank you. I'm fine. How are you guys? Well, it's fine, I guess. I'm trying to hunt a bug here. Currently I'm looking into one bug here where an item should pop up, but it sadly doesn't. Well, my game is actually a prototype right now. It is a little RPG I'm making. And currently we are on day 166, so pretty far, but pretty at the beginning of development. So... okay. I know what the problem is. I didn't save the map. I didn't save the map. Okay, so we have this. And then we have to add this, and we have to save because this does not understand that the map is changed. Alright, now we should remove the breakpoint. And we should be golden. Should be the item now. But yeah, I can show you in a bit what kind of game it will be. I'm just looking into this bug, which should be solved now. And there's the item, perfect. So basically you are a little summoner. I don't know the name yet. You can walk around some islands. And your objective is to reach higher islands in the sky from one island to the other. And islands have like these orplings flying around and landing, and you can fight them. All islands have two different sides, and yeah, basically you go here, you start a fight. And you have some elements. Right now I'm on the fire element side. I can change to, for instance, for the crystal side. And then start around. The fire side is specialized in fire magical attacks, but the crystal side is for the defense against magical attacks. So since my orplings are slower, the enemy begins, does its magic. Then mine do a charge up, where these guys charge some attack. If I do it some more times, they would attack themselves. But the mushroom here in the middle made a little shield in front of us. Now I can, for instance, change to the water side and heal myself. Since this is a prototype, everything looks janky, but well, we're still developing. Now we could go to our fire side ourselves and attack them. Thank you, man. Hey, Neko! Finally, you are also here. I was threatening Neko yesterday that he should come visit me again, because he didn't visit me for a long time now. So yeah, but basically I'm right now skipping some animations here, but yeah. Now after a fight you would collect some energy you get from them. And you have to find a key in the islands, which is this thing here. And then you go to the exit. At the exit, you can unlock it and then use your power to power the exit up. Right now we don't have enough power, so I will unlock it with my cheat codes. And you're in the next level, and then you ascend and do stuff. You have to train your Orblings, you can collect Orblings, you make your formations, and then you try to get to the top. And hopefully you don't lose a fight. Yeah, I apparently got raided by this guy. Terry Chronic, I guess? I hope I didn't botch your name. But yeah, I guess this fight would drag on really long since their stats are pretty jank. I can just get rid of them. And then, since we have only 2 more islands, with this one we are at the start again. Then I'm glad. Well, let's see. And I'm always following these little notes here as a development guide where I come up with some things I have to do and then I just add them and then work them off, I guess. So this thing is done. And now we have to look into this energy thing. Let's see. A GDD? What does that stand for? Ah, yeah. Not really. It's more like a spring, not a sprint board. It's more like Kanban board. I just have some tickets that I write down so I don't forget them. I don't have a design document. I have some concepts here and there in some notebooks. But since I just want this prototype to get finished, then I can concept some content on it. Let's see. We need the player, which is here. But tell me about yourself, since you raided me. What kind of channel are you? Seems like you play games? Well, we have the energy here. Battleground. Ah, yeah, at the end. So we do get it. Ah, so you're in the same boat as me. I see, I see. I don't know if you know the game Jade Cocoon 2. My game is heavily inspired by that game. Do you have any inspiration for your game? No, I have to go here. Info is here. Means... Ah, there's the energy, okay. So, we have 4 for... and only 2 swarms. How about here? Well, this is 0. I never played Witcher 1. I guess it's not that similar to Witcher 3, right? It should be a little different. But that's just my guess, because I never played it myself or saw it. I just know that it's a more linear game. Probably, if I'm not mistaken here. So I do collect them, but I do put them in the player, but I'm not putting them into the store buckets, which is here. So the games are similar to each other. I see. I thought the first Witcher was a linear game instead of an open world one. I didn't know. And since when do you use Unreal? I, for one, started with Unity 2 years ago, and then I burned out. And half a year ago I just started with Unreal, because I use Unreal in my workplace all the time. So this one does not matter. Exit, persist. Ah, okay, I never used this, I think. Not yet, at least, but I wanted to. Now I remember. Okay, so... when this is done, we reward the player with the energy, but we also have to put it into the storage data controller. Explorable options. Ah, I see. 4 to 5 years. And only for private things, or are you a developer somewhere else? Or is your project right now even a private thing, or are you working in a company? Maybe even your own, I don't know. Wasn't it called? Yes, there we go. Storage Maybe I should do a function library out of this thing, because I will use this a lot. Ah, okay. Yeah. For a long time I was solo developing in Unity, but since at my workplace I always used Unreal, at some point I was better in Unreal and then I figured I'd just switch. And now I am further with my project than I was in Unity. Not that Unity is bad or anything, but my skills are more in tune with Unreal right now. I had so many problems with Unreal the years. I know so many janks it has. For instance, one of the things I hate is, like, if I want to search for this function, even this is bad. If I want to search for this function, create competitor, I go here, find reference, perfect. Works perfect. It writes create competitor in these things. But if I do it with the nodes, find references, now it just makes like these spaces in between without the... Is this called a parenthesis? I don't know. Ah, yeah, I see. But I mean, if you know one game engine, you know pretty much everything. You just need to adapt some things and then everything is fine. Or one of the things I hate is the fact that if you right-click here, you have something different than if you right-click inside here. So many questionable things in Unreal. But I learned to live with it. Maybe I should do get storage data instance, my helper class, camera movements, set and battle functions, utility I would say. I mean, I get stuff for stats, but it will have other things too, so let's put it in here. Get storage data instance. And then we can go and copy this thing. Oh! My function doesn't work here? Find first actor? It does. I guess the world context is a problem here. Or? What's going on here? Why does it even have a target? Here, again, I don't know why Unreal did this now. Game dev? I wonder. I mean, I wouldn't call what I did game dev. I truly began with this project. Before it was just study stuff, and then a small project for a month. It's hard to tell. I would say 166 days? Even though 166 wouldn't be correct since I started way before that. Because I always only count the days I'm truly working on it and not the ones where I'm not streaming. And I also started this thing with Unity, so let's say 3 years ago, maybe 3-4 years ago, I started game designing this one a year and then prototype another year. Then I took a break 2 years, something like that, and then half a year I'm on this one. Storage data instance. Well, yes, like I said, I'm using Unreal in my workplace, which is not game dev, but advertisement stuff. But yeah, I learned a lot there, since I'm the only one using this actually. I had to fight many things. Although we have like some more guys using Unreal now, but purely logical, like only the programming stuff, that's me. We have a technical artist who does also programming stuff, but he mostly has to tackle the pipeline issues they throw at him, so he has no time to actually find patterns to build stuff more complex. But he does things that it works in the grand scheme of things, even if it gets messed up at some points. Alright, so we have the helper thing now. Can use get storage data and then exit, and then we could add this. So Carrie, where are you from? For me it is like evening time. I wouldn't guess you would stream in the noon. Are you by chance also from Europe? So now I still... Ah, wait. No. This is the reward. I don't want to add it here. I do have it in my bucket, but I want to add it to an exit. Oh, I see. You are from... Why are you streaming in the noon? How come? I would guess you would get more viewers in the afternoon. No? Or even in the evening. But yes, it is 8 PM here right now. I need the overworld controller. which then does the interaction for energy here. I need it here. Ah, I see. So you do like 2 streams a day, I guess. Also, are you also streaming your developer stuff? Or are you streaming only gameplay? Add energy to... I guess this ID is from the level then. Oh man, I have so much code that I always forget what's going on. Interaction payload should be from the exit, which means if you are here at the exit, the interaction payload is the level name. But that's actually not what we want, because the ID is what we want. This is wrong. Where do I set this here? Oh man. Ah, I see. This is brain melting now. Okay. I do have this. And we do this. Comment, but what is this? False. So I go in with the ID. Oh, this is actually good. Alright, the payload is the ID then. Well, I shouldn't forget, make it so that key is not the item ID, or we will not have the map keys. Very important. Yeah, thanks for the raid again, man. Have a good one. So this ID let's just be sure this ID is correct. They'll need a new mouse. I forgot yesterday to order one. I hope I don't forget today. Key. Now, if I interact with this exit, it should try to add energy in there. So what is the ID? The ID is correct. Perfect. So we can use this actually. So I'll check from lid. Yes, then we get the exit. We add the energy to the exit and we actually want to add to this can't find it, then wait, this plus this add it to here. Maybe I should do this to a local one. Promote. Local. Exit ID. If we find it, we add the energy to the existing one and refresh the entry. But I also need to look for some thresholds, but I guess that's not important right now. I should add a key on my keyboard to just do this. I can debug stuff. Okay, and if we don't find, just want to add the energy we have, and then oh yeah, that's correct. If it's powered, add energy or exit. Duration value, where do I already have this? Man, it's like I forget everything. Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, we have it. Maybe I should do it like 3 so we don't have to fight 2 times. I also do this for the other map. Yes. This. Okay. I should also implement something where I can say that the exit is always unlocked and powered. Make bool do make exit always open. Will be important. So why would I need to know after I power an exit that is indeed powered? Did I wanted to do anything after that? I really don't know why I added that bool in there. Am I using this somewhere else? I don't think I do. Nope, it's only here. Let's think. What was Saru doing? I mean, this should be enough. I added the... Maybe this was at the point where I didn't know what to do with the energy. I will add it here, and then I have to look if this... if a threshold is met to keep it open forever. This thing is not important right now, but I guess it works already. If I now go to main and start, and without using my little cheat, can I actually exit? Give me the key. No, where are they? All right. So I should have 4 energy points, which means I can power this and then nope, did not work. And the question is why. I would guess I don't have energy anymore because I used it, but let's see. This failed. Really now? This cannot be. This needs to go through. There's no way this doesn't find it. Right? Oh my god, it actually cannot find it. I need to look what's going on here. For interactables, we are looking for exit 1. Ah, I need to refresh. Where is my route? There. Oh. Be safe. Maybe I should go through all of them. Safe. And this one, please. All right. Go in here again. Take the key. Just a smaller group is good. I'll just end it here. And then if I go here, should actually find it now. There it is. Yes. This is true. Perfect. Means it can cast it. Can add the energy. Just for here. Goes in here. If the energy I'm putting in is smaller than the energy value I have to reach, it would not be powered, but we are higher. Why is this a 4? Oh. Interesting. Didn't I change this to... no. The energy I'm collecting is 4. The activation energy is 3. So... this should go through. We have an overflow of 1. Which means we power and send 1 overflow. Just here. And it is still in the bucket. Alright. Which means the exit is powered now. If I go here again, it works. Alrighty. So I could take this and try to fight this guy. Now I'm missing 1 monster here because in the last fight I lost it. We can go to the earth formation to make a little barricade to hide ourselves from physical attacks, but they are faster. Snake should be able to make a status effect, but missed. And don't look at the jank of my meshes. They are pretty buggy. Anyway, we have this. Should also make a little magical one. And then go to our water side, heal ourselves, and try to kill them. Let's skip. Water side. They grilled one of my barriers. No matter. Okay. Now, earth side. We need again. Hopefully they will miss. Nope. But it didn't make a status effect, which is good. And he has no MP. Okay, now we can go water side. Heal ourselves. And they should not be able to come through that easily here. Now, I am not sure what attack is good against them. I forgot all their stats, but just let's change to the lightning side. And try to beat them up. Well, they dodged everything. Maybe the crystal side is a better choice here because they have a pretty strong attack. I just need to charge it up. One and two. All right. We have the energy, we go to the other side. And the exit is unlocked. And powered. Now I expect that in the next map the gate, the exit is open but not powered, like this one. I shouldn't be needing a key. The exit is still locked with energy. 2 out of 3. Ah, I had 2 energy in overflow. I could add it there, but we still need energy. That's good. It's actually working how I envision it. Alright. That's the bigger one. Alright. Now we should have 3 energy. 1 is used here. And we should still have 2 in bucket. The exit is unlocked. And go through. Alright. Which means I have 3 energy now. I could just power this, right? Which means it's unlocked. Now I have 0 again. Alright. When I use an exit, I want to lose all my energy in my bucket though. This is something we have to do now. The player. Interaction. Add energy. Switch to islands. Enable blah blah blah. Clean up area for next. Okay, wait. Wait. Am I thinking wrong here? So we have an exit here, which has like a threshold of 3 energy. It will have another threshold for always being open. Maybe, I don't know, some other number. I don't know. Let's say 10. This is a 10. Here out of 10. And completely skipping it, another threshold. Me as a player am roaming around, killing swarms that give me energy. So let's say I killed one. One killed, which gives me 4 energy. I use it here, and I have 1. Now this overflow energy, if I enter this exit, would just go away. This is how I intended it. But what if I want to charge it more to have it to this added? Because these two are a global threshold. This one always resets when we get to the island again. So do I use the overload here? Do I give the player the option to use the overflow? What if I have 15 energy collected? I go to the exit and all 15 is used here. So if I interact with a non-powered exit, it uses the whole bucket. Should I do it like that? Wouldn't it be frustrating? Wouldn't I want to like spend my energy as I like? Do I need a menu? let's say I have an exit. I need to unlock it. Right, this is a keyhole. I need to add an X amount of energy to a Y amount of limit. Not even that. YZW amount of thing. And I want to enter it. So there are 3 interactions with the exit here. I guess if I have a key, that takes priority. If I get to the exit, I use the key and activate it. So this is just an interaction. Leaves us with these 2. If it has no energy in it, maybe I need a menu where it opens. And then it says like there's an amount I can set here. And then I have like these bars. And then there's like a visual gap or something, or some other color for more thresholds. And then I can choose, like I can select how many bars are lit up, and then I can accept. So what if I already filled this and the exit is open? How would I enter it? Okay, let's say me, I go to the exit. And now I get a interaction, call to interaction or something. It says press this button or something. Then it opens a menu where there's a enter here, which is grayed out. Like this is gray. And there's like this amount of energy that is gray, and then another amount here. And then we can like do this to fill it up. Now I also need, like, I don't know. I wanted to... What if I mean, this is not a good solution to this, because I don't want to open a menu and then select how much energy. I just want to press a button so the exit opens, right? It shouldn't be tedious. Do I have two buttons? No. What if I make it so that you cannot select? You have like these blocks of energy. You have this one and this thing. So when you then press add energy, the amount of energy you have will fill up this. Like there are 4 energy points here, and when you press add, it will insert 4 if you have it. If not, it will just add as much as you have. And then if you don't have any energy, this one is grayed out. So if this is open, the enter button will be open too. Now you can go press downwards and press enter, and you can enter the exit. But if you have more energy and choose to overcharge, you can add more energy and then it will add more. Okay, I like this, but this opens another problem. Because actually no, it does not. Oh, yes it does. Because we have the exit bucket, which is this one, exit bucket. And then we also have like there's this and open, which is this, but the exit bucket has 4 energy. The persistent one doesn't have 4 energy, it has 8. So if I add energy, I added 4 out of 4 for the exit, but also added 4 out of 8 for persistence. So if I now leave the area, go away, and enter it again, now we have the exit bucket out of 4 where the persistent open already has 4. So we already have 8 here, which would translate to 4 and 4. How do I make it visually here? Do I make 2 things where I fill? This has like 4 slots. This has 8 slots. And when I enter energy, this one gets filled and this one gets only filled half. We could also make it so that if I added 4, like at the first time, it is like this. So I added 4. This goes away. Now we have this. Hey, this is actually not bad. I think I like this one. What if we have it like this? We have the thresholds in front of us, and they are like just thresholds. This is... I cannot call them level 1. But this one could be the... Ah, wait. This doesn't work. If I add only 3 energy, then leave the island and come back, this will be the same. The first bucket is always 4. I could also get this and then slide it to the left. What if I make it like a punch card kind of thing? Or like a metal sheet getting eaten by a machine in the factory. Like, what if we have this sheet of energy slots? Then I add my energy here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter it. This gets cut off. Like this. Bye bye. And then this just slides in. Boom. And this card thing, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Has like little markings which says, I don't know, permanently open. This one, skip. And when we reach them, I think this one I like. So we have the scanner part where if we hold our button, we'll burn away these things like 1, 2, 3, 4. and then it burns this whole thing. It cuts off. It goes to the left. I think this is what we should implement next time. We should start with a UI thing. I wished I could add PNGs here, so I have this thing. I guess I have to save this very, very confusing picture to have a reference what I wanted to do. Okay, so lastly, you have the menu. You have the punch card thing. With the energy markings on it. And then we have this part. And then we have two buttons. Add energy. And enter. And maybe the amount of energy here, I don't know. XX. We currently have. Alright. And then when we exit, we don't have our bucket anymore. This is what we should implement now. Which island? I could honestly just do it here. Exit energy. Set to 0. Do I have a function for exit energy stuff? Yeah. So we just do this then, I don't care. Or nah, man. I shouldn't do it like this. I don't like. Empty exit bucket. And then we say set to 0. Ah. Okay. Empty. And we do this. Alright, let's test this real quick. Actually, I should make it visible in the editor so it is easier to debug. Where's our player? Where is it? Player controller. It's not the... It's our overworld thing. There it is. 0. So. Don't mind the camera. We just say enter and skip everything. 0, 4. Now we have 4 energy here. I go and collect the key. Collect it, we go out. And we unlock it. We use... Wait, we use the energy, unlocked already. Go in, and our bucket is 0, okay. Works. This is something we have to do. Make it so that key is not the item ID, or we will... Yes. It's important. Maybe I will do it now. Make editor bool to make exit always open. While we are at it, let's hide this again. This energy resets every time you exit an island. We did that. There is another value that fills. It does not reset if this one reaches some. This is what we should do before we do the menu. This is a nice to have. Then this will be something after I implement all of this. Make transitions, yes. Doesn't matter right now. This will be more important than this one. Doesn't matter. This is something I really want to do, but it's very hard to do without animations. Important. These are just notes, right? Okay. Now let's do this. Oh, this... how do I do this? Key here. This is used as the ID. Should I use the payload for this? Why is there an autosave here? Hold on. Are maps dummy? I don't have a save. This is another thing of Unreal. Why is it so janky with the autosave stuff? Anyway. These are all maps. The only part where I search it is here. Cannot be. No, it can actually, because... okay. Also use this for the spawning. This is bad. I don't want to parse through my payload. It would be better if I could make an array out of it. Okay, I will just change the data type to be an array, and then when I compile it, I hope I can find all the places where it is broken. Then point of interest, payload is now an array. Hold on, no. If I do this, all my maps are broken. Ah shit, it broke already. Couldn't check. Wait, maybe this doesn't have a payload. This one had one. Oh damn. I broke everything, no! Wait, it tries to save them. If I just say no... And this one is broken too. Let's not just not save. How about that? And reopen the project. Haha, saved. No biggie. Easy. Oh, please. Please. What's this? Looks good. It didn't have a payload. Probably. I hope. Trust. Yes! Okay. Okay. Okay, so this one has 2, this doesn't matter. Here is the key with the payload. Start area has only 1. Okay, now I can just... Oh. I can just go to point of interest. Change the payload to be an array. This one is now an array, doesn't matter. I can go to my 2 caves. One gets added. Actually, it is the second one. First one is always key. This ID could be this maybe. Do I even need it? Could be this. Did I use the keyword key here? Shouldn't matter. Fine like this. Okay. And do this. Safe. Okay. Now we have to hunt down all the problems. I want to start. Will it complain? It did not complain. This is not good. Point of interest. Come on, man. Um. Hey, Robin. Going great. Going great. How are you doing, man? Oops. Oh. All right. Then there's the second one for this. Like so. Okay, and hopefully this works again. I'm also fine, man. I'm fine. I made huge strides in the last couple of days. Can we get the key? Perfect, it still works. So I can just fight an Orpling Swarm here. 0. This is not good. I have to check what's for the length so this warning doesn't pop up. Up with this guy. Why didn't it land? Ah, maybe it landed. Better this way because I don't want to fight the longer version. Come here. And you're dead. Alright, this means now I can power the exit, hopefully. I can go, it's unlocked, I can go in. Okay. So it still works. I have to make sure that when I do this, there's actually a payload. Not empty. If it is not empty, then go here or else just disregard. Should be fine now. The door things, I just finished them. So they seem to work right now. So I don't see any warnings, which means that thing now works. And get the key. This thing is unlocked, but I cannot enter because we don't have enough energy. That's fine. Okay. So we actually now solved that one problem here. Make it so that key is not the item ID or we will not have unique map keys. Did I... wait, map keys... It goes into the storage, right? It goes into here. And here. No, this doesn't... Wait, it wasn't... Well, I mean, if it's not there, you have to implement, no? I have to look into the routes. Point of interests. Which means I have to go to one of the levels and look at the route. How did this still work? I guess I'm not looking for the keys. This is wrong. Save. Where's the point of it? No. The route. Refreshed it. Now it's safe. Well, true. I mean, I have a vision for the game. I don't want to make a little game. I want to do the game in my head. So I have to implement everything. I mean, I phrased this wrong because the size doesn't matter. You can make a huge game with Game Maker and just use the assets. But the things I want to do, there is no shape for it. So yes, I have to implement everything. Yes. Okay, but now we finished that ticket. This is gone. This I don't care right now. Or maybe should I care? Should we tackle this? Let's tackle this. The use case is you have the start area, and I always have to press my cheat code key to open it. I want a little bool here where I can make true, and then it's passable. So what I want is always open. This is per default on false. And then when I go for initialize exits, update exits, for keys. Actually, that's not correct. I don't want only keys. This is a more precise thing. Check key and unlock. That's fine, but I also want to where the hell did I put that bool in? Am I tripping? Where did I add that bool? Huh? I added an interaction trigger box. Oh my god. I pressed on the wrong thing. This one. Oh my god, please. Always open. Now. Do this. There it is. This should be true. Now, check key and unlock. Actually, check and update state. Check and check key and unlock. This goes in here. You get all of this. Put it in here. Get always open. Unlock and power. If true, do this, else do this. And not only the key will be checked, I also have to check the other buckets after that, but okay, so I would assume the first exit is now passable without me. Never mind. What happened? Ah, now apparently it decided that things are going south. Interesting, so I can't tell the spawn point to be at the dark side. How would I do this? Not empty. If true. Well, it can be empty. Maybe I don't have to add anything anymore. I mean, I could do something very silly here. I shouldn't, but I could say if there is anything in the payload, then make it automatically dark side. I could write light, and it would make it the dark side. And if it's empty, I spawn at the light side. But that's not readable. So we make it a little more inefficient. And say if it's if it's not empty, actually, what's going on here? Set. Okay. Well, let's do the other one. And the rest is what we have to do anyway. So, if it's not empty, get first one, put it in here, else dark side is false anyway. So we have to have a key called dark, or we will not be in the dark side. Okay, so it's not empty. Look for this. Else do that. We should be fine. Now the next one. Wait, just let me double check. Dark side if true, true, else false, or always false. Should be fine. Okay. What does this? Waiting function for... Oh, this is the same? Excuse me? Level package is done. We do something. Please, mouse. Okay, let's copy this and look if it's the same thing. Flip. Set interaction actor is missing here. And the other one has this thing. Okay, then I don't care. I just do the same thing. Is empty. This is some redundant code, but I really don't want to refactor this right now. Or ever, probably. But get this. False. Or true. Okay, so we go here. This is get. Just to be sure, did I do this? Get 0, yes, we did. Okay, so is empty. Dark. Like so. Should be fine. Doo-doo. Alright. Can we start it now? Everything now fine. Save. Start. What did I want to test again? I don't remember. But at least the spawn points are okay. Get this. Oh, payload 0. Wait, it did find something 0. If I go in here. Ah, because I pressed L? No. Where did it find that payload problem? Attempt to access index 0 from array, payload from length 0. But where? Huh? Why? Why? Initialize all worlds. And exits, update. Is fine. Wait. Payload. It searches for payload in Blueprint Point of Interest. Am I even using it here? No. How would I go and search for this payload? I'm so stupid. Oh my god. If not empty. Not empty. Alright. Okay, I will go do something else for today. I wish you a lot of luck with your game. Bye bye. Thanks, Robin. Have fun with the other thing you're doing. And thanks for tuning in. Make editor bool to make exit always open. I think we solved it because I don't press my cheat code and can enter this. And I don't press it, I shouldn't be able to enter this one. It is locked. Find the key. I go. I find key. Take. Uh-oh. We still have that problem. This will be hopefully solved when I do the transitions for the level loading. 0 out of 3. Okay. Should have enough energy now. I can go unlock it, go in. Now if I go to the exit here, it should say it's locked. Find the key. I go. Find the key. Give me that. Fight you. Let's just spam them with the crystal attack, I guess. Alright. We have enough energy. Go. And we can enter. Alright, works. This one is done. Now, I think I will not start a new thing to tackle since the evening is rather progressed. But there is another value that fills that does not reset if this is one reach some threshold. Next. These are like the same. They are the same thing. When I do this, I also want to do this. I mean, I could do it without the menu first, but then it will be hard to enter into the exit. So I should make the value savable, or at least storable in the bucket, and then have the menu to actually interact with it. But this will be tackled on Sunday, hopefully. Or wait, let me think. No, actually... no, I will not be home at Sunday, so I will probably resume on Monday. Hopefully. So usually I would always work from Sunday to Thursday, but this Sunday I will not be home and I will return at Monday. Well, no helping it. Anyway, guys, if there are still raiders out there, thank you for still watching. Thanks for tuning in. And everyone else, and the raiders, and whoever is there, thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Neko, you're still there? You little... Why didn't you write anything? Anyway, thanks for tuning in, Neko. Alright, guys. Bye-bye.